Hey there, Tom Romeo from PCS, and we're going to redo our whole Azure deployment. So as you can see, when you launch Azure for the first time, it gives you a full Class A network. We're going to get rid of that and make a Class B network that's smaller. And the reason why we're going to do that is so that we can be more agile up in the cloud. We'll have virtual machines. Maybe at some point we'll have a SQL Managed Instance, and it'll be on its own subnet, and we can then link them together with gateways. So the very first thing we're going to do is create a resource group. And once we create that resource group and add this network to that resource group, every time we create a virtual machine and it's a member of this resource group, it'll automatically be a member of this virtual network. So it's going to keep things nice and tidy for us. And this way, as we grow, we can then compartmentalize and make other networks for other purposes. Okay, so I chose a sitter block that's 23, so that's 512 addresses. And now we're going to add a subnet to this. Not that we need it right away, but we'll add a subnet just so we have that flexibility. And you see it's going to ask me for the address space. So as long as it's smaller than my main address space, we're okay. Okay, and there it is. So now we're going to move on to the next tab. And we're not going to do anything here, but you see there are options. We're not going to turn on this firewall. We are going to create a network security group in the future, and that'll be highlighted in a different video. And the network security group will use it to prevent rogue users from remote desktop connections to all of our virtual machines. So that's it. We click Create. Deployment is in progress. And now we're going to go to our network. Once we do that, we can delete the original default network that Microsoft provided us with. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can download all of our software from our website.